Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we got something that goes way back. This is the Bell Beefer from Taco Bell. It was on the menu from the 1970s to about the 1980s. I actually do not remember this ever being a thing at Taco Bell, so it's a little bit before my time. But I got the idea from Sam the Cooking Guy. Shout out Sam the Cooking Guy. He made his version, and I figured, well, what the hell? I'm going to make mine. All right, so first thing we got to do is brown up 2 pounds of ground 80/20 beef. And I'm assuming you all know how to ground beef. Or brown beef, excuse me. Basically, you just put it down there whole like this, and then with a spatula, just keep breaking it up. And cook till it's done, and then drain your beef. Alrighty. As you can see, we have our beef drained, and we're going to add it back to the pan. And then we're going to add 2 packs of the Taco Bell seasoning mix. Now, Sam made his own. I contemplated making my own, but I decided I wanted this to taste as close to Taco Bell meat as possible. So that's 2 packs of the Taco Bell seasoning mix, and then I added 1.5 cups of beef stock, and I gotta say that really made a difference in the taco meat taste. So give it a try. Actually, instead of adding the water, give the beef stock a try. All right, so basically you're gonna stir this around and then simmer this for about 10 minutes or so. Again, I know most people go a little bit longer when they're making tacos, but this is closer to a sloppy Joe, so I want this a little wetter. So I went about 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. If you're on an electric stove, you are going to have to give it a little bit more time. So just go till you get the consistency you like for like a sloppy Joe. Okie dokie. As you can see here, we have a nicely toasted bun. And to that, we're going to add some of our meat. Of course, make sure you slop some on the plate. And then you want to add some diced red onions. And then we're going to add some roasted poblano peppers. Again, this is where me and Sam started to differ a little bit. I decided to go a little bit more, deluxe. Then some green chilies. These just come from the can. You can find it in any Mexican section of any decent-sized grocery store. Some Taco Bell fire sauce. If you don't have the Taco Bell brand of taco sauce in your local grocery store, Target, Walmart, wherever you get your groceries from, just use whatever brand of taco sauce. And then some shredded Colby Jack cheese. Now, you could put this in the microwave to melt up, but I'm going to melt the cheese up a little bit by using a little blowtorch here. This is actually one of my cigar lighters, but it does the job. And then we're going to put a little mayo on the top bun. Put this on the top. And that's that. It's back from the past. It's better than ever. This is my version of the Taco Bell Beefer. And it's done.